I want to talk about some recent work that you've done. And I guess what I want people to take away from this section is to have a better grasp on how to connect the dots all the way from what you eat to what's being produced in your body or by your microbiome to a change in metabolism via changes in gene expression. So linking, things like dietary fiber or other dietary components to your microbiome, to gene expression in your body and epigenetics, to metabolic change at the end. So you recently did a study that looked at something called short chain fatty acids and how these affect gene expression, how they're produced in the body. Let's start out really basic here. What are short chain fatty acids, and what are some of the major ones that people might hear about?
Yeah, they're these little molecules, acetate, propionate, and butyrate are probably the three most common ones. And so it turns out that they've been known for a long time to be healthy for you. They, boost your immune system, and exactly how they're healthy isn't fully understood, and certainly how they work is not understood. But it's known that fiber, everybody knows fiber is good for you. And we have a number of studies here, back to your earlier question about nutrition. We're actually trying to break this down because there are many different kinds of fibers. There are long chain, short chain, hydrophobic, hydrophilic, positive, negative. It's all over the map.
Mhm.
And so we've been testing different fibers.
But I
And,
guess with the unifying theme here for like what counts as fiber, it's something that we cannot digest on our own, and therefore microbes inside of us must break down for us.
Bingo. Yes. Yeah. Absolutely right. And so, and the fibers themselves, I mean, some of them have these compounds called polyphenols. You may have heard of them. They're getting more and more attention. They're antioxidants and probably have a lot of other health benefits too that people don't fully, know yet. But anyway, your microbiome breaks this down, and certain microbes then will actually produce short chain fatty acids as a consequence of all this. And so these short chain fatty acids are generally thought to be quite good for you. And there's plenty of evidence for that. So what people had been generally thinking is that there's an important modification on your histones, of things that package your DNA and affect gene expression. And basically, the prevailing view was that there's a very important modification. It's called acetylation. Uh, and these short chain fatty acids that mostly get produced by the fibers, they're called propionate and butyrate.